Residue still on my hand. It feel like I'm back in the kitchen. Your bitch in the back of the fiscal. You can't imagine the tricks. You know I'm trapping the bitch. I got him lapping up in the back of the Bentley. What you know about not having a penny? Phone jumping, got a bag of the pussy. Phone off, it was quiet for me. Don't say you love me, you ain't dying for me. I woke up this morning with a lot of money. I'm just selling game, come and buy it from me. On my mama, yeah, I'm not gonna speak on the soul. They told me you read what you sow. I never forget all the times he took me where I needed to go. I woke up this morning like fuck everybody, and that's how I knew that I needed to smoke. I know this is fellas, you niggas is jealous, and y'all just defining the meaning of bro. I'm getting some brain, I pulled out my chain, and she started looking like she seen a ghost. Cold, like going outside, and mama said you need a coat. I do not wanna be stuck in the hood all day. I'd rather go jump off a boat. Clean your house, dropping all they wanna know. 2,000 for this Montclair coat. Mac Amiri cost me 18. That ain't no shirt, that was straight jeans. When I be on it, but my little bitch, she drinking straight lean. Residue still on my hand. It feel like I'm back in the kitchen. Your bitch in the back of the fist.
What you said, Chef?